Welcome back again to LC tutorial, and today we're going to install the Havoc OS version 11. No, Havoc OS version 4.1 based on Android 11. So this is actually booted here in our Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. This is a Samsung SMG610Y, and it's successfully booted in our device. So let's now see the room. So as you can see, guys, there is a navigation button here at the bottom, and the back, the home, and the recent, and then also this room has quite few bloatwares, because this room is a light version. There is no G app included in this room, and as you can see, there are 8 applications here included, which is the basics, like for example the calendar, clock, contacts, files, go gallery, and messaging, phone, and settings. So here is the notification or the quick panel. There is a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth here is not as stable as the other rooms, and the Wi-Fi is good. Flashlight is not working. And also this room has no camera built in, so yeah. And if you want to download a camera application, guys, just flash the G apps zip, and then you have now the little applications of that. So here is now the features, and we'll now go into the settings. So as you can see, this is not the basic. Here we go, the PH turbo settings. There is a Samsung features, boost features, miscellaneous features, IMS features, and style features. Under the Samsung features, guys, there is a here the screen, the miscellaneous, and the workarounds. So if you want to modify that thing or enable that thing, you can enable that. And also the this features as well. IMS features, and actually, guys, the navigation button and the capacitive button here in this one is both working, like the back and also the back here are working. And also there is a style features here where you can customize the accent color, icon shape, icon path, and the fan family. So anyway, SIM card here is detected in this room. The SIM card is quite performing good, and also it can also detect the micro here, the micro SD card. And also there is a configuration center. Now we should know, we all should know that there is a configuration center in this room, because this is a Havoc room. Here is the status bar, quick settings, lock screen, ambience, display, gesture, notification, battery saving, media, and miscellaneous, and about Havoc OS. So if you want to disable the navigation button here, you can go to PH triple settings, and then the miscellaneous features. Under the miscellaneous features, force disable the navigation bar, and then as what is said here, it requires a reboot after that. So we will now go into the about phone. This is based on Android 11, as I said earlier. Look, here, this is an Android 11 room, guys, and I have a version 4.1, as you can see on the screen, and the base manual. This one is a G610Y, and also the kernel that I use is the Edge kernel version 1. And yeah, under security update is January 5, 2021. So actually this is now the latest version of Havoc OS, which is based in Android 11. And the silent lock status here in this room is permissive. So I think that is now the settings. So yeah, the room is really smooth, but again, GSI rooms comes with a lot of bugs. Android 11 guys is I think there is a inherent bug from the Android 11, which is the brightness here. As you can see, the brightness slider here is set into the maximum, and if you going to set that into low or zero, it will give you a black screen limiter here. That's a black screen, guys. So beware. Don't try slide the brightness into or set the brightness into zero or something, because it will give you a black screen. Set it into minimum, something like that, or into full. And also there is a screen recording here, which is offered record audio, record audio microphone, device audio, or device audio microphone. Use of the two features of it. And also two touches. So I think the screen recording is really working in this room. And yeah, as you can see, this is now the recent thing in this room. And we're going to try this sound if it's working. Oh, the sound is really working in this room, guys. So yeah, this is now the Havoc, and let's proceed into the how to install in this room. So anyways, all the links that I use in this tutorial are linked on my description, so you're gonna check it out of that. And also credits to the room developer of this. And yeah, let's proceed to tutorial on how to install this room. Guys, so this is now the steps on how to install the Havoc OS version 4.1 based on Android 11. This is actually the latest version of Havoc OS. And yeah, this is now the installation. First, boot your phone into recovery mode by pressing the power button. Be sure that your device guys is shut down or off like this. So press the power button, volume up, and home button at the same time. Okay, so this is now the files that we are going to flash in this device, which is the Create Vendor 2.0, Havoc OS version 0.1.1, and the Triblo version 2. We need to flash first the Create Vendor. And then reboot your device, guys, by pressing the reboot and then recovery. So yeah. And then the next one that we're going to flash is the Havoc OS. And then here, you need to select a system image. And then flash. And then just wait guys until the flash successful. Successfully flash. And then the last one is the Triblo version 2. So that our device will open into the system UI. And then no. After that guys, reboot to system. Oh, here you go. This is now they have the logo or the boot up animation. So guys, we're successfully flashing the Havoc OS version 4.1 based on Android 11 here on our Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. Hope you like it. This video, give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and also share this video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for it to be updated whenever I upload a new video. See you next video guys. Have a good day. Bye.